Feeling behind financially after 40, that knot in your stomach when you think about money? Stay with me, because I am not going to tell you to wake up at 5 a.m. I am not going to tell you to grind a side hustle, and I am not going to tell you to invest in crypto. I am going to tell you something simpler and, honestly, harder. So if you are over 40 and tired of feeling behind, keep watching. Here is what most financial advice gets wrong when you are over 40. They tell you to catch up, save more, invest aggressively, make up for lost time. And that sounds helpful. But here is what it actually does to your brain. It makes you feel even more behind, because you already know you should have started earlier. You already know you should have saved more. You already know there are things you wish you had done differently. Hearing it again does not help. It just confirms what you already believe about yourself, that you messed up, that you are late, that everyone else figured it out, and you did not. That feeling is shame, and shame has a cost. It keeps you hiding from the numbers, delaying decisions, avoiding bills, and carrying stress alone. But you cannot shame yourself into a better financial life. You have to tell the truth, then take one step. Being behind financially after 40 is not a life sentence. It is a snapshot, one frame of a very long movie. And here is what that snapshot does not show. It does not show the medical bill that changed everything, the divorce, the business that failed, the years you spent raising children, the job loss that came right when you were about to catch up, the family member you had to help, or the years you were trying your best without a real plan. Whatever got you here, you are here. And here is not the end. Here is the starting point. So today, I am not asking you to build a full budget. I am not asking you to open a retirement account. And I am not asking you to figure out the next 10 years. I am asking you to do one thing. Open your notes app or grab a piece of paper and write down one number you have been afraid to face. Just one. Your bank balance. One bill you keep delaying. One debt sitting in the back of your mind. Or the amount you need this month just to feel stable. That is it. No fixing, no solving, no full plan. Just name one number. Because when you name one number, something changes. The problem may not disappear, but the fear becomes clearer. And once it is clear, you can respond to it. Most of the time, the number is not the only thing hurting you. It is the story you attach to it. I failed. I'm too late. I should be further. But a number is not your identity. It is information, and information gives you options. So today, choose one number. Write it down. Look at it without insulting yourself. Then ask, what is one small move I can make from here? Maybe you make a call. Maybe you cancel something. Maybe you ask for a payment plan. Maybe you move a small amount into savings. Maybe you finally admit what needs attention first. One move, that is enough for today. Because you are not trying to become perfect. You are trying to become honest. And honest is where rebuilding begins. If you are over 40 and starting again financially, comment one word. Starting. Not for me. For you. Because you are not behind forever. You are beginning later than you wanted, but you are beginning. Subscribe to Still Becoming After 40 for practical money mindset and financial reset videos for your next chapter. You are still becoming. See you in the next one.